Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Are you tired of eating just fish and rice and don't have the patience to make an elaborate biryani? This is a perfect recipe for you. Fish Pulao, which is so simple and easy to make, and it has all the flavors of a biryani. So first let's marinate some fish fillet with turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt and some lemon juice. Here I've used basa fish, but you can choose your favorite fish. Marinate it and keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Then heat some oil and fry all the fish pieces. Once all the fish pieces are fried, use the same oil to make the pulao so that you'll get that flavor of fish. Into that add whole spices, saute it for some time, then add in sliced onions. Saute till it changes its color. Then into that add in ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Now add in some Garam Masala. Add in some tomato puree and saute it. Now add some salt. Here I am adding some of the fish pieces just to get the flavor of the fish in the masalas. Into that add in washed and soaked basmati rice. Mix it with the masalas. Add half lemon juice. Then add enough water to cook the rice. Give it a nice mix. And once it starts boiling, cover the pan. Check in between, and once the rice is completely cooked, our pulao is ready. Separate the rice really carefully using a spatula or you can use a fork. Now while serving, serve the rice first, add some coriander leaves on top and add the fried fish pieces. Enjoy it with some curd and pickle. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.